Students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. This is third part of chapter 3 differentiation for commerce students. In this part we will see the derivative of composite function. In earlier videos whatever we have studied is the basic of class 11th. Now we will continue to class 12th. Okay, so first topic is derivative of a composite function. What is composite function? If in a function x is given as the function of x, so it is called composite function. Okay, in which you cannot separate all the terms, you can say it is composite function. Sometimes complex looking function can be greatly simplified by expressing them as composition of two or more different functions. It is then not possible to differentiate them directly if is possible with simple functions. Okay, just as we differentiate the simple functions of x, but in composite function you cannot directly differentiate the function. So there is need to use the rule which is called chain rule to differentiate the composite function. So let's see what is chain rule. If you are having y as a function of u, which is a differentiable function of u, and again u is a function of x and it is a differentiable function of x, that means if y is a function of u and u is a function of x, then we have dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. This is called a chain rule. Okay, what is chain rule? Dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx, where y is the function of u and u is the function of x. Okay, now let's see example based on the chain rule. It is given a function y equals to cube root of 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 5. Then find dy by dx. Here let function y equals to under root, it is written in question here, let the function 3x square plus 8x minus 7, the term 3x square plus 8x minus 7 be u. So let u equals to 3x square plus 8x minus 7, we have taken it as u. Now the function y will change to cube root of u raised to 5. Then we will write it as u raised to 5 by 3. Okay, now we differentiate y with respect to u. Then dy by du equals to 5 upon 3 into u raised to 5 by 3 minus 1. Just as we differentiate x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so here n is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 into u raised to 5 by 3 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from 5 by 3, it will become 2 by 3. So answer is 5 by 3 into u raised to 2 by 3. So dy by du is 5 upon 3 u raised to 2 by 3. Okay, now replace the u with the function which we have taken as u. So 5 by 3 in place of u we will write 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 2 by 3. Okay, this is done. Now since we have taken u as 3x square plus 8x minus 7, we will also differentiate this function. Since u is the function of x, so we will differentiate u with respect to x. Therefore we will write du by dx equals to, now the derivative of 3x square, 2 is multiplied into 3, it will become 6x, and x raised to 2 is derivative as x raised to n. So x raised 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1, so it will become 1. So 3 into 2 6 and x, so it is 6x plus 8x. Since derivative of x is 1, so 8 into 1 is 8. Okay, then now we have dy by du and du by dx. Now applying chain rule, we have dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. So therefore dy by du equals to 5 upon 3 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 2 by 3 into 6x plus 8. In this way you have to differentiate the composite function. Now we have started exercise 3.1. There are some questions of this exercise. Let's see all the solution of these questions in the video ahead. Let's see the solution of exercise 3.1. First question is find dy by dx if y equals to under root of x plus 1 by x. Here, since we know that the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, okay, but in place of x it is given a function of x plus 1 by x. It is a function of x, not x. So we will take this from x plus 1 by x in another variable. Let u equals to x plus 1 by x, okay. So now y is the function of u, such that y is a function of u, and now u is the function of x. So here we have to use chain rule, or this is composite function, so we have to use chain rule, okay. Now we will differentiate u. Differentiating u with respect to x, okay. So du by dx equals to d by dx of x plus 1 by x, d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1 by x, okay. D by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, as you know by the formula. This is direct formula. 1 minus 1 by x square, or you can also write it as x square minus 1 by x square, okay. So this is du by dx. Now also y is a function of u, so now we will differentiate y. Now y equals to under root of u. So here we will differentiating y with respect to u, because y is a function of u, so we will differentiate y with respect to u, okay. Since y is equals to root, differentiating, we get dy by dx equals to dy by du equals to d by du of root u. Since derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, in the same way we will differentiate root u. So it will be 1 by 2 root of u, okay. So since dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx, therefore we have dy by dx equals to dy by du. What is dy by du? So this is dy by du is 1 upon 2 root u, and du by dx is x square minus 1 by x square. Now we will replace u by x square minus 1 by x square into 1 upon 2. What we have taken u is x plus 1 by x. So this is the final solution for finding dy by dx of a composite function, okay. Understood? See the second question. Second question is y equals to log of 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2, okay. Here we will take this function as u. Let y equals to log u, where u is equals to 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2, okay. So since y is function of u, dy by du equals to d by du of log u. Okay, so log of u means 1 by u. Derivative of log u is 1 by u. Okay, so we have done this. Now we have to differentiate u. Differentiating u with respect to x. What is u? Du by dx. D by dx of 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Okay, see, now d by dx of 10x raised to 4. 10 is taken as a scalar number coefficient. 4 into x raised to 3 plus 5 x raised to 3 into x raised to 3 means 3 x raised to 3 minus 1 2. Now 3 into 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 1 plus 0, since the derivative of constant is 0. So we have 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. Okay, this is du by dx. Now we will use the chain rule. Now with the chain rule is dy by dx equals to du by dx, dy by du into du by dx. Now we put the values of dy by du. What is dy by du? Dy by du is 1 by u into, what is du by dx? Du by dx is 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. Okay, now replace this u 1 upon, what is u? U is 10 x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 4. Okay, into 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. So from here you can also take x common. So we take x common, and also we can take nothing number are common. 40x square plus 15x minus 6 upon 10x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, now see the third question. Third question is y equals to 5 raised to x plus log x. Again here also we will take u, let u equals to x plus log x. Therefore y is equals to 5 raised to u. Now differentiate this with respect to u. So dy by du equals to d by du of 5 raised to u. Since derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a, we will apply this formula here. This is u. Okay, so a is 5 and x is u. So what is this? A na? So a is 5, x is u into log 5. So this is derivative of 5 raised to u. Okay, now we will differentiate u. Differentiating u with respect to x. Okay, what is u? X plus log x. Du by dx equals to d by dx of x plus log x. dy by dx of x, derivative of x is 1, plus dy by dx of log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, you can also cross multiply, so it will be equal to x plus 1 by x. Okay, now we apply chain rule. dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, after that we put the values. dy by dx equals to dy by du. What is dy by du? It is 5 raised to u into log 5 into du by dx. Du by dx is x plus 1 by x. Okay, now we replace u by if the function, what we have taken, x plus log x into log 5 x plus 1 by x. Okay, so we can also write this x plus 1 by x 5 raised to x plus log x into log 5. Okay, so this is the solution. Now see fourth sum. Here function is given y equals to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. In just like the previous question, we have to solve here also. Let u equals to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. So therefore y is equals to e raised to u. Now differentiating y with respect to u, dy by du equals to dy by du of e raised to u. Derivative of e raised to x is same e raised to x, so there will be no change. It is e raised to u, so dy by du equals to e raised to u. Now we'll differentiate u. Differentiating u with respect to x. Okay, so du by dx equals to d by dx of 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, now derivative of 5x square, 5 is coefficient, written as it is using the formula x raised to n equals to n x raised to n minus 1. 5 into 2x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, so there is no need to write 1 here. Minus 2 into 1, derivative of x is 1, plus derivative of constant is 0. Multiply 10x minus 2. This is du by dx. Now applying chain rule, dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, so dy by du, e raised to u into du by dx, 10x minus 2. Replace u with the function 5x square minus 2x plus 4 into 10x minus 2. Now we'll take this earlier, so we get 10x minus 2 e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. So this is the final answer. Did you understand all the solutions? Okay, this is the basic of to solve the questions of any composite function by using the chain rule. Okay.